false. Considering sustainability in aerospace is also about forecasting the risks, in particular the physical risk like resource availability and climate change impacts. It's true. By working on carbon emission reduction, we can also leverage energy efficiency or energy supply levers in order to reduce the cost for your company. It's false. Eco-design is a complete approach that encompasses the analysis of the risks, the analysis of the product impacts, in order to find the best solution and the best trade-offs. It's true, sustainability is a global challenge that requires putting together the best skills and the best capabilities to work on the solutions.